digestive system includes the mouth, the throat, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, which comprises of the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas, the large intestine, the rectum, and finally the anus.
It all starts in the mouth. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive food tract. Food goes into the mouth and is broken up by chewing and the enzymes in your saliva.
Broken down food then goes down the throat.
Step of that digestive system, food goes from the throat and down the esophagus, where it then goes into the stomach.
Inside the stomach, food is broken down by acids and then transferred into the small intestine.
Once in the small intestine, food will be broken down even further. This is the stage in which nutrients is pulled out to be used in other functions around the body.
Goes into the large intestine.
The end of the large intestine is the rectum. It is where waste is stored after it goes through the large intestine. Then, when it is full, it sends signals up to the brain to let it know that it needs to be released.
Is the anus. This controls when the release happens. Many problems can occur with your digestive system. One of these is gallstones. Gallstones are hard deposits that form in your gallbladder, which is a small pear-shaped sac that stores and secretes bile for digestion. Gallstones can form when there's too much cholesterol or waste in your bile, or if your gallbladder does not empty properly. When gallstones block the ducts leading from your gallbladder to your intestine, they can cause sharp pains in your upper right abdomen. Medications sometimes dissolve gallstones, but if that doesn't work, you may have to have surgery. Another problem is hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are an inflammation of your blood vessels at the end of your digestive tract. They are very painful and can be itchy. They are often caused by chronic constipation, diarrhea, straining during bowel movements, and a lack of fiber in your diet. The best treatment is eating more fiber and drinking more water and exercising. There is also diverticulitis. Small pouches called diverticula can form anywhere there are weak spots in the lining of your digestive system, but they are most commonly found in the colon. If you have diverticula but no symptoms, the condition is called diverticulosis, which is quite common among older adults and rarely causes problems. However, if these pouches bleed or become inflamed, it's called diverticulitis. Symptoms include rectal bleeding, fever, and abdominal pain. Obesity is a major risk factor in diverticulitis. Again, the best treatment for this is a high-fiber diet. To summarize, we have the beginning of the digestive tract, which is the mouth, which secretes enzymes that break up starches like carbohydrates, then the throat, then the esophagus, which both lead to the stomach, which has acids that also further break down food, which then leads to the small intestine, which pulls the nutrients out of the food and breaks down even further, which then goes into the colon, which pushes it down into the rectum, and then to the anus, and then